Hello, GWA students, it's Miss Pope. It's good to see you. I have missed you. Listen, I wanted to start off by thanking you again for the wonderful success we had with the Rainbow of Thanks. I have missed having you guys around and seeing you and talking about all the wonderful charity things that we do here. And guess what? February and March, we're going to start a new effort for charity. We're going to do a clothing and food drive during the month of February and March. If you have some old clothes and you're thinking, those are still in good condition and somebody can use them, the Down Syndrome Center that is here in Casablanca that we have helped so many times, we're going to work with them again to donate clothes, even larger size clothes that maybe mom or dad or you have an older brother or sister and they've grown out of those clothes and you would like to donate them, clothes or shoes, you can bring those in during this time. For food, we're asking you to bring cheese, pasta, tuna, sugar, tea, coffee, oil, cookies, or jam. You will see the character team is going to make some posters that we're going to hang around the school with these items listed so you guys will know what you can bring. But in the meantime, until we see those posters, go home and say to mom and dad, hey, listen, do we have any old clothes we'd like to donate? Because there's some kids and young adults who might be able to use them now that you don't need them anymore. Thanks, GWA students, for being awesome. Thanks for always participating with charity, and I'll see you in the halls.